In today's video, I have a little wig review slash first impressions unboxing kind of video. So it's on this hair here. This is from UniWigs. It's their wig called Gabrielle. So I'll give you all the details in this video. So if you're in the market for a platinum blonde wig, or you're just curious to know more about this hair, then this video is for you. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, so this is the wig inside out. So it does come with two combs in the front, and it has little clips on the sides as well, kind of like right here, and a comb in the bottom and the adjustable little straps here. And as you might be able to see, it is a full lace wig, and this is like a little stretch cap, and it is so stretchy. Like when I put my hand in here, it was like, like it's so stretchy. But I'm sure this would be like really comfortable, but this is a full lace wig. And this is what she looks like. So she is a full platinum blonde wig, and she's very, very long. She's 24 inches. So this is what she looks like. And I don't know if you remember, but I did another video with UniWigs for their Chloe wig, which was also a platinum blonde. I did dye it blue, but this is their Chloe wig, so it's very similar. Obviously, it's blue, but it did come blonde, the same kind of blonde as the Gabrielle. And I'm pretty sure I got this one in 24 inches as well, but I did cut it. But as far as the hair quality goes, the hair quality is pretty nice. You can see by the way it moves, and even the color as well. It didn't come in like that yellow color that a lot of 613s come in. This is actually a pretty nice platinum blonde. I am still going to wash it with like a little bit of purple shampoo just because I want it to be a little bit more icy. But you could totally wear it like this. I feel like this is still a really nice blonde. I should probably put it on for you guys and show you what it looks like on. All right, so I got this in a medium cap size, and it fits very snug. I didn't even like tighten the elastic bands in the back. I just put it on as normal, and it fits very well. I'll just have to cut a little bit around the ear tabs, but that's fine. I'll stand up and show you how long it is. It literally goes, oh my gosh, it goes to like the top of my pants. You can see the thickness. And I'll show you what the hairline looks like. So I hope you can see it, but it does follow like that curvature of your hairline. So it kind of like dips in here and kind of goes like that. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wash the wig with some purple shampoo, just to kind of get it a little bit more icy and ashy. So, okay, I did wash the wig in some blue shampoo. And I also cut a little bit of some layers into it, not too much, but just like, it's kind of like some face framing layers, and just thinned it out just a little bit. So I'll stand up and show you what this looks like. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm really happy with the hair as well. I'll show you what this looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl the hair as well so I can show you what it looks like curled and styled. So I'll be right back. So this is what the hair looks like with some loose waves, which you saw in the intro to this video. Let me know which one you prefer, the waves or the straight hair. I'm kind of digging the waves. I feel like it's a little bit more glamorous.